In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Veem to bank account. To withdraw the available balance in your Veem wallet to your bank account, first and foremost, the first thing that you will need to do would be to log in to your Veem account. Use your login credentials such as your username and password. After that, click on the Veem wallet above the dollar amount in the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. Once the Veem wallet page loads, select withdraw funds from there. Enter the amount you want to withdraw from your Veem wallet and you will see the conversion and bank details populate underneath automatically. Now after that, you need to click on the confirm withdraw button. Payment will be sent to your bank account. You should receive the payment within 2 to 5 business days depending on your bank account's location, holiday schedule, and payment policies. Take note that you can only withdraw from your available balance. Funds may still be waiting to clear before you can withdraw the full amount. That is how you can simply transfer money from Veem to bank account. This video helped you out. Please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.